Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The foundation of a ship's propulsion reliability lies in the critical interface, where the massive propeller shaft exits the hull through the stern tube. The design of stern tube bearings is a balance of structural integrity and friction management, designed to support the weight of the shaft and propeller while allowing for smooth rotation under extreme loads. Traditionally, these bearings were made of lignum vitae or hard wood, but modern vessels primarily utilize white metal-lined bearings or advanced synthetic polymers. A white metal bearing, also known as a babbitt bearing, consists of a cast iron or steel bush lined with a thin layer of tin-based alloy, which provides excellent embeddability and low friction characteristics. The length of the aft stern tube bearing is specifically engineered to be at least 2 times the diameter of the shaft to ensure the pressure is distributed evenly and does not exceed the load-bearing capacity of the material. Lubrication is the lifeblood of this assembly, and it serves 2 primary functions: reducing friction and removing heat generated during operation. Most ocean-going vessels use oil lubrication systems, where the stern tube is kept completely full of oil. This oil is circulated from a header tank located at a specific height above the waterline to maintain a positive pressure higher than the external seawater pressure, ensuring that any minor leak results in oil moving out rather than water coming in. The lubrication system relies on the formation of a hydrodynamic oil film, which occurs as the shaft rotates, drawing oil into the clearance between the shaft and the bearing surface to create a microscopic layer that prevents metal-to-metal contact. For ships operating in environmentally sensitive areas, water-lubricated bearings have seen a significant resurgence. In these designs, seawater is pumped directly through the stern tube to act as the lubricant and cooling medium, requiring the use of non-corrosive shaft liners and specialized composite bearing materials that can operate effectively in wet conditions without the risk of oil pollution. The design must also account for the deflection of the shaft caused by the heavy overhanging weight of the propeller, which is often compensated for by slope boring the bearing or using self-aligning designs to ensure uniform contact across the entire bearing length. Monitoring systems, including temperature sensors embedded in the bearing metal and oil, analysis for wear particles, allow engineers to track the health of the system in real time. This careful integration of material science and fluid dynamics ensures that the stern tube bearing can withstand years of continuous operation in the harshest marine environments. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.